Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into 85 plus daily life sentences in English with pictures. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to brush up on your English, these sentences will help you navigate everyday conversations with ease. Let's get started and make learning English fun and practical. I try new recipes for dinner. I try new recipes for dinner. I bake cookies for dessert. I bake cookies for dessert. I make a smoothie for breakfast. I make a smoothie for breakfast. I grill burgers for lunch. I grill burgers for lunch. I go to the dentist for a checkup. I go to the dentist for a checkup. I visit the doctor for a health check. I go to the dentist for a checkup. I get a haircut every month. I get a haircut every month. I go to the bank to withdraw money. I go to the bank to withdraw money. I pay bills online. I pay bills online. I do my homework after school. I do my homework after school. I study for my exams. I study for my exams. I attend a class at the university. I attend a class at the university. I join a book club. I join a book club. I volunteer at the animal shelter. I volunteer at the animal shelter. I donate clothes to charity. I donate clothes to charity. I recycle plastic bottles. I recycle plastic bottles. I buy groceries at the supermarket. I buy groceries at the supermarket. I cook lunch for my family. I cook lunch for my family. I bake a cake for a birthday. I bake a cake for a birthday. I make tea in the afternoon. I make tea in the afternoon. I have a barbecue in the backyard. I have a barbecue in the backyard. I feed the baby with a bottle. I feed the baby with a bottle. I change diapers when needed. I change diapers when needed. I rock the baby to sleep. I rock the baby to sleep. I read a bedtime story to my children. I read a bedtime story to my children. I tuck in my children at night. I tuck in my children at night. I turn off the alarm in the morning. I turn off the alarm in the morning. I set the table for breakfast. I set the table for breakfast. I have brunch on Sundays. I have brunch on Sundays. I plan meals for the week. I plan meals for the week. I shop online for clothes. I shop online for clothes. I wrap gifts for birthdays. I wrap gifts for birthdays. I send an invitation to a party. I send an invitation to a party. I attend a party on the weekend. I attend a party on the weekend. I go to a concert with friends. I go to a concert with friends. I watch a movie at the theater. I watch a movie at the theater. I visit a museum to learn. I visit a museum to learn. I take photos on my trips. I take photos on my trips. I develop photos at the store. I develop photos at the store. I create a photo album of memories. I create a photo album of memories. I garden in my backyard. I garden in my backyard. I plant flowers in the spring. I plant flowers in the spring. I pick fruits from the orchard. I pick fruits from the orchard. I harvest vegetables from the garden. I harvest vegetables from the garden. I cook dinner every night. I cook dinner every night. I clean the living room on weekends. I clean the living room on weekends. I sweep the floor to keep it clean. I sweep the floor to keep it clean. I mop the floor after sweeping. I mop the floor after sweeping. I polish my shoes for work. I polish my shoes for work. I arrange furniture in the living room. I arrange furniture in the living room. I decorate the house for holidays. I decorate the house for holidays. I wrap presents for Christmas. I wrap presents for Christmas. I attend a wedding in summer. I attend a wedding in summer. I participate in a ceremony at the community center. I participate in a ceremony at the community center. I go fishing on the weekends. I go fishing on the weekends. I visit relatives during holidays. I visit relatives during holidays. I spend time with family every evening. I spend time with family every evening. I go to a fair in the fall. I go to a fair in the fall. I visit a zoo to see animals. I visit a zoo to see animals. I go to a theme park for fun. I go to a theme park for fun. I play board games with friends. I play board games with friends. I do a puzzle on rainy days. I do a puzzle on rainy days. I make a craft project for fun. I make a craft project for fun. I knit scarves in the winter. I knit scarves in the winter. I sew my own clothes. I sew my own clothes. I clean the garage in the spring. I clean the garage in the spring. I wash the car every weekend. I wash the car every weekend. I repair the car when it breaks down. I repair the car when it breaks down. I do a DIY project at home. I do a DIY project at home. I build furniture for my home. I build furniture for my home. I fix a leaky faucet in the kitchen. I fix a leaky faucet in the kitchen. I change a light bulb in the living room. I change a light bulb in the living room. I clean the windows for a clear view. I clean the windows for a clear view. I wash the curtains in the spring. I wash the curtains in the spring. I organize the pantry for easy access. I organize the pantry for easy access. I stock the fridge with groceries. I stock the fridge with groceries. I prepare a presentation for work. I prepare a presentation for work. I give a speech at the meeting. I give a speech at the meeting. I attend a conference for work. I attend a conference for work. I network with professionals at events. I network with professionals at events. I write a report for my boss. I write a report for my boss. I submit an assignment on time. I submit an assignment on time. I take a test at school. I take a test at school. I review notes before exams. I review notes before exams. I study in the library for quiet. I study in the library for quiet. I meet a tutor for extra help. I meet a tutor for extra help. I join a study group for collaboration. I join a study group for collaboration. I go to a workshop for learning. I go to a workshop for learning. I learn a new skill online. I learn a new skill online. I teach a class at the community center. I teach a class at the community center. Thank you so much for watching our video on 85 plus daily life sentences in English with pictures. We hope you found it helpful and that you can use these sentences in your everyday conversations. And we'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!